aim is promote the national progress and sense of common citizenship and culture and strengthen the national integration. So these are all the first national policy aim. And 1986 the government 1986 the government of India introduced a new education policy. Okay, and then 1968 first national policies they are created, that is aim is promote national progress, a sense of common citizenship and culture to strengthen the national integration. These are all the aim of first national policy. And after 1986 they are create the new education policy, that is the new education policy aim is aim was to transfer a static society into a vibrant one with the commitment to development and changes. Static society is nothing but it is a stable society. Okay, it is nothing but it is a stable society into the vibrant. Okay, the vibrant means it is a more enthusiastic or துடிப்பானன்னு சொல்லலாம். இன்னும் ஒரு அக்யூரேட்டான மீனிங் சொன்னால் வைப்ரண்ட்னா துடிப்பான அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகே, to vibrant one with the commitment to develop and change. Okay, so this is the main aim, and then it emphasizes on equal opportunities for the marginalized sections of the country. So it emphasizes the equal opportunities. So the opportunities should be divided and should be spread out all over in the places in equally. Okay, யாருக்கெல்லாம் opportunity spread ஆகுதோ எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஈக்குவலாக ஸ்ப்ரெட் அவுட் ஆகணும், அதுதான் வந்து another aim. And then the removal of disparity through the scholarships, adult education and open university, especially for rural India. So these are all the aim of new education policies. Is that clear for you students? And new education policy called for a child center approach in primary education. So it is called for what? A child center approach in primary education, and launched operation Blackboard to improve the primary school nationwide. So okay, Blackboard la enna pannirukanga in the new education policies la improve pannirukanga. Okay, is that clear for you students? And next one is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and Rashtriya Madhyamik Shikshya Abhiyan. Okay, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is nothing but it is a Government of India flagship program that was launched in 2000 to 2001 to achieve universal elementary education. Okay, so the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, இதை லான்ச் பண்ணிருக்காங்க 2000 to 2001ல யூனிவர்சல் எலிமெண்ட்ரி எஜுகேஷன் UEE அப்படின்ற ஒரு விஷயத்தை லான்ச் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, அண்ட் சர்வ சிக்ஷா அபியான் இஸ் நவ் த பிரைமரி வெஹிக்கல் ஃபார் இம்ப்ளிமெண்டிங் த ப்ரொவிஷன் ஆஃப் ரைட் டு சில்ட்ரன் டு ஃப்ரீ அண்ட்